So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts, and to the left of me right here is a thrift store. And in today's video, I'm going to share how selling on eBay, going to thrift stores, and making money allowed me to go to college basically for free. With the money that I was making in this strategy, which I'll show you guys exactly what I do, allowed me to have enough money to go out, have enough money to help my parents pay for my tuition, and allow me to run an eBay business that was making around $12,000 to $3,000 a month. Now that's incredible because a lot of my friends didn't have jobs, and a lot of people don't know how to make money in college. So if you guys want to learn how to make money in college, exactly step by step, I'm going to show you guys what I do. So guys, don't go anywhere. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly what to find in the thrift store, exactly what I sold to make money on my eBay store, as well as how you can just walk into any thrift store, use this exact method that I'm going to be preaching with you guys today, and to make money yourself. There's a lot of money to be made on eBay, and this eBay reselling model changed my life, as well as allowed me to go to college without having to pay much money. Let's get it. So guys, before we go into the thrift store, one of the most important factors and tips that allowed me to make a lot of money selling on eBay was locating good thrift stores. So the first thing that I wanted to do was just to go to Google Maps. No matter where you are, go on Google Maps, look up local thrift stores. You're gonna see a lot of thrift stores coming up, but you don't want to go to every one of them. More importantly, you want to go to certain ones. For me, Goodwill never made money, so I just avoid going to Goodwill. Around me in my area in Maryland, I never hit up Goodwills. They're overpriced and there's no profit in the items that I buy. Secondly, Value Village, Salvation Armies, Nifty Thrifties, and mom and pop stores are the best thrift stores that I usually like to hit up, because honestly, they have the lowest prices, which means I can make the most amount of money on my item. So that's what you want to do first, locate your local thrift store. So I'll show you what to do, how to see if an item's going to sell for you on eBay, and how to know if you can buy the item. And if it's at a good price, you're going to go ahead, buy that item, and take it home. So without further ado, it's 10 o'clock. The thrift store just opened up. I'm going to show you guys what I go in there to buy, as well as how you can make money going to any thrift store. Let's go get that money. So it's time to put the mask on and head into the thrift, but make sure you have the eBay app downloaded. This eBay app is going to be a lifesaver. It's going to let you know if you can make money on certain items. So download that right now. So guys, we've made it into the thrift store. This is typically where I begin the hunt. For me, I find the most profitable items are in the jackets, and I just seem to find the most unique and most expensive items to resell in the jacket section. As you can see, we picked up an Under Armour jacket here, but there's not much money in these old brands, but I'll show you guys what to buy in a second. But we're just going through trying to find popular brands and keep it going. So guys, everything in the store today is 50% off, which gives me an incentive to buy. So the first item that I'm going to pick up here is this Coogi Men's XXL, really interesting pattern, full zip jacket. And right here is exactly what I do for every item that I think is going to make me money in the thrift. So I just look it up in the eBay app, the men's, give it a description and the size as well, and then see if it's selling. If people are buying it, I want to buy it. So hit the filtered button. This is very important. They go to completed and sold items to see when the last purchase date was. As you can see here, I can pick it up and sell it for around $35.99, which is a pretty decent profit off of one item. And then right behind it was almost a very similar jacket of the same first one, and as you can see, it's selling for around $50, and I can pick it up for almost $2.50. So I continue to search for the men's jacket. I find some of the most profitable items here. I'm looking for Carhartt, North Face. These are all brands I'm looking for, but also this work jacket, which I just stumbled upon. Not familiar with the name, but the interior line flannel sells like crazy, and as you can see here, I'm picking up for less than $3 after 50% off, and it's selling consistently for around $74. So a great steal, one of the most profitable items I found of the day. And I continue just to make sure that these items sell during the same search methods. I'm gonna list it for $74.99 with free shipping. So this jacket is super solid. I'm telling you guys, search in the jackets, you can find a lot of profitable items. So I spend a lot of time searching through the men's vests. I feel like these go overlooked in the thrift store, and you can find some Patagonia and Vineyard Vines vests which will make you money. But here is a outdoorsman Cabela's, like a shooting field vest. I can pick it up for less than $2 basically, and it's selling for $35.59. I'm gonna list it ASAP, but look at this vest. Keep an eye out for any khakis, outdoor hunting vests. This goes into the cart, and it's gonna make me some great money. So guys, now I want to show you up what not to pick up. Now LL Bean is one of my favorite brands to pick up. Originally I thought this was going to sell well, but I wanted to do the research first. I would pick it up for $4. It's a nice Henley knit sweater, 100% cotton. And I'm gonna say, is this gonna sell? But as you can see here, it's not really selling. The last time it sold was in October, a little bit in November, but nothing really of that exact model or design was selling anytime recently. So that's going back on the shelf, but make sure you do your homework. And then here we are with a Brooks Brothers 100% wool. Keep an eye out for wool products. As you can see, you're gonna sell for around $30 and pick it up for a fairly cheap price. But Brooks Brothers is a great brand to look out, especially especially wool. So again, I'm doing this after every search. I'm searching this item and making sure I'm finding the closest one. This one's selling for around $49, which I might list it as for that high, but as you can see, for $30 consistently, I know it'll sell. So other than clothes, I make sure to check the shoes. Right here are these Nike tactical boots. I'm gonna pick them up for $15, an absolute steal. And as you can see, they're selling for around $60, and some of them were selling for around $100. So really interesting, and there's a lot of money to be made in shoes. Just search the inside of the shoe, check the sales history, and see if they're gonna sell. But these Nike tactical men's like military boots are an absolute banger, and I'm super hyped that I could find them in the thrift. So guys, a lot of this is continuing to just repeat itself, but I'm just going through some of these long sleeves, another profitable area to search in the thrift, and I came across this Henley 3-button LL Beam little waffle weave. I'm picking it up for $3, and you can see it's selling for $24. Just an easy way to make another $15 to $16 off of one item. So guys, in every section of the thrift, there's an opportunity to make money. If you know what you're looking for, you can make money going to any thrift. I'll show you guys how much I made. Let's go, meet me in the truck. So guys, we made it back from the thrift store. It was an incredible haul. As you can see, we picked up a lot of clothes, and I hope you guys learned exactly what I like to buy, as well as how to make profit on certain items. For me, I spent around $52 buying everything here. Now, originally it was all around $110. I used my personal coupons, and then I had a 50% off the total purchase price of everything, which brought it down to around $52. So the thing is here is that it's so important to go out there and look for name brands. When you're buying these things, look for name brands that you know: Vineyard Vines, Lululemon, Patagonia, popular brands, LL Beam, Under Armour. Here's some Nike boots that I bought, and I hope you guys can see that there's a lot of potential and money to be made in the thrift store. So this is exactly what I did in college. I would go around, I only hit one thrift store, and I made around $200 in this one thrift. Now it takes time, it takes work to go home, you take pictures of them, leave a good description, and then eventually your buyers are gonna buy these items, which means you eventually make money. But what I would do is just continue to duplicate this. So this was one thrift. Now after this thrift store, I would go up the street and find another thrift. And the point is to continue to scale, get as much inventory as you can. But once you get this down, once you understand, hey, that this is gonna sell, this is not gonna sell, you know exactly what to look for, and you almost can guarantee that these items are gonna make you money. Now for me, I know most of these items are gonna sell. So what you do now is very important. I'm gonna go home, get these all listed, leave a good description. I might take you guys with me, but just buying these inventory, buying things at a low and then flipping them on eBay is such a powerful way to make money. Now, if you could do this every day, think about how much money you can make just going to thrift stores. So this right here was exactly what I did. I went to thrift stores, I bought things at a low and then relisted them and made profit on eBay. So guys, if you have any questions right now, comments or concerns, make sure you drop them below. And if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, that would be important. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to take these pictures in a second. We're gonna go home, get these listed, get the eBay app, and everything that you can do, guys, is on your smartphone. I hope this was a very helpful video. I hope you understand that you can walk into any thrift store, know exactly what to look for, and make money. Repeat this process, run an eBay business, and start going out there and making money on your own terms. If you guys need any help, again, make sure you hit me up. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you in the next one. Love you guys. Peace out.